5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. So the basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a carry through. 1, 2, 3. As we go over the head, we're going to drape ourselves. 5, drop it to my right hand and back charge. 6, 7. So now I'm going to pull her in for a prep. My left hand's going to stop her on the shoulder, and my right hand does a grip change. 1. So from here, I'm going to hook on 2 to start turning her. 2. I'm going to bring my palm up as I go over my head. 3. It's going to go over her head on 5 and start dropping the elbow. 5. And we're going to back charge on 6, 7. So now from here, I'm going to make her step forward. 1. I'm going to keep facing this way as I keep her close to me. I'm going to back step 2, bring her around me. 3. Now my hand's going to stay to my neck as I turn to the left. 5. I'm going to drop, catch it in front and step to the side. 6. So now I'm going to do an active turn, quick step to the right. 7. So now on 1, I'm going to open up the slot, bring her forward. 1. Right away on the 2, I'm going to go up to start turning her. 2. I'm going to scoop the hand up. 3. Now on 4, I'm going to turn on my left foot and bring the hand to my neck. 4. Keep the elbow close. Follow her. 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Carry through. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Prep on 1. Start turning on 2. 1.5 right. 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Walk around. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1.5 right. 1, turn 2, turn 3. 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7.
What's up guys, it's Scott from Casa Salsa. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you click the subscribe button right here so you're able to stay updated with all of our videos to come. And also make sure you check out our website in the description below so you can have more access to exclusive content and even take a live class with us. See you there.